Ha-da-da-da. Power on, tiny screen, Professor Bean on the scene, looking mean. Hemp. First, we pair that scale. If you're guessing grams, you're doomed to fail. Tap, tap, Bluetooth blink, you read manuals or just wing it. Connected little chime, good, took you long enough this time. Professor Bean's perfect shot. Do it right or you will get caught. Tap, tear, breathe, don't lose the plot. Weigh it in, time it out, hit the spot. Professor Bean's perfect shot. If you rush, your drink tastes hot. Not good hot, I mean hot wrong. Get the dose, get the time, get strong. Cup on deck, wait's quiet. You blink, you'll ruin this diet. Stopwatch arm, thumb on start. Sink it, child, this is art. Hit start, pump kicks in, go drip into thick stream pre-infusion. Counting your head too fast, did you pack flour instead? Target ratio in your sight. Math is tasty when you do it right. Watch it climb, steady climb, don't scream, cut it now, don't chase that dream. Shot, stop, school sing, saved in time, all your little things. Tap, use times, lock that run. Congratulations, you brewed acceptable fun. Wow. Professor Bean's perfect shot. From your guesswork to the sweet spot. Sip it slow, hear him scoff along. Fine, for once, you're not wrong.